How to properly put a snow chain on a tire, LMTV tire.
What you want to do is you want to hang this on one of the threads. Continue to roll the vehicle forward. Now with your chains like this, you're letting gravity do all the work. So you want to make sure that you're going straight across on each link. Pull your chains tight underneath. Meet with the other side. Now with a link right here, get it as tight as you can go. Put it through. Close it. Then have this come up around it. Then hook back in. The other side is just a simple hook and loop, where you let gravity do the work. So you want to get this as tight as you can get it. There it would sit. You should have little to no play in the chain as you're driving.
And what type of class is this?
Snow chains.
How to properly
How to properly install a snow chain on a military vehicle.
All right, thank you.